Hey guys, it's Untitled from Weswell Properties, and it is freaking Friday. This week's Showcase Home of the Week is located at 717 East 26th Street. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,440 square foot home. It was built in 2013. They're asking $629,000. Guys, this home is brand new to the market. This will be the second day as of today. It's being brought to you by Angela White with Circle Real Estate, and she's having her open house Saturday from 1 to 3. Let's not waste any time. Look at the gorgeous kitchen behind me. I can't wait to show you this house. Let's walk this home. So you come up to this front porch here. It's all brick, really nice. You have the ceiling fans up here, and then you enter the home and you walk into this open space of the dining room, living room combo, which is really nice. You have the upgraded lighting. The colors in here are really pretty, very neutral, brings in lots of light. And then you have a half bathroom here, storage closet there. And then you walk into the kitchen, and the kitchen has tons of light. Look at all the windows. It's a gorgeous upgraded chef's kitchen. You have the granite top island. You have these beautiful floors here. You have the 6-burner stove cooktop. Granite continues. You have this really stunning hood over the cooktop, and you have the pasta pot filler, which is an added bonus for sure. And then here's a pantry, and what's really unique about this home is over here there is a second pantry. So that's awesome storage that's provided. And then you have this room off the kitchen. It could be a study, it could be an office, it could be a sitting area, game room for the kids, or it could even be a breakfast room, however you'd like to design that. And then outside, you have the outside patio that leads to the garage. Again, it's brick, and then this is your backyard for this home. So this is a 2-story home. Here we are on the 2nd floor. Again, you have the wood floor continuing. You have this really nice hallway space. It's nice and wide. It doesn't feel tight in here. You have this office space here, which is great, especially for nowadays, of us all working out of our home. And then you go down further to the hall. You have your first, second bedroom with a closet here, nice size closet. And then you come out, and this is a laundry room here. You have storage here. You have additional storage here in these built-ins. That's a hamper chute right there. And then you have the 3rd bedroom. It's about the same size as the secondary bedroom. And again, this bedroom has the closet here as well. And then you come and you have the bathroom for these 2 bedrooms. You have the stone countertop, and then you have a really nice shower bathtub combo. And so at the opposite end of this hall near the stairs is the master bedroom. Again, it has the wood floors as well. It has got high ceilings, tray ceilings here. And then you also have access to your own private little balcony, which is really nice to have morning coffee. So this is a great space as well. Then the master bedroom boasts 2 closets. You have the first one here with the built-ins, so that's a nice size. And then in the master bathroom, there's the 2nd closet. Here again, you have the stone countertops. You have dual sinks. You have the 2nd closet here. Has a lot more room. It also has the built-ins. And then you come down, and you have the clawfoot tub, and then you have the stall shower with the beautiful stonework. and then the water closet. So this is a beautiful, beautiful master bathroom. Hey guys, is this home gorgeous? Don't waste any time. It's brand new to the market. It's gonna go fast. Come see Angela this Saturday from 1 to 3 during her open house. And if you would like any additional information on this home or any of the other homes that you see on our interactive map below, don't hesitate to give me a call. I'd be more than happy to give you a private showing or give you additional information. My information is at the end of this video, and I look forward to seeing you next week at the next Showcase Home of the Week.